Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about a host of new products that I have with me at the moment. We're going to review a lot of these and play around with a lot of these in the month of August. So let's get started quickly. I'm going to start with this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Lip Balm. This is the dark chocolate and cherry pigmented lip balm, and I quite like it. I've been using this almost every day these days, and it is a very good lip balm in my opinion. Next, I'm going to talk about the Revlon Colorstay UV Primer. This is a very runny primer with SPF 40, so it does give a little bit of flashback under flash photography, but otherwise it's quite a good primer, especially for summers. Another product from Revlon which I wanted to talk about is the Revlon Colorstay Exactify Liquid Liner. This is one of those liners with a roller tip, so you can just roll that tip on your eyelid and get a nice smooth, a very precise line. But I'm not the biggest fan of this kind of eyeliner tips. Honestly, I've tried it once and I didn't get the desired results as quickly as I should have. Also, this is super expensive. I think 1100 rupees for 1 ml of product, which is quite less. So not a big fan already, but I thought I'll share it with you guys. Moving on, I have a bunch of products which are new to me, because this is the first time I'm trying out this brand, and the brand that I'm talking about is Miss Claire. So I have a foundation, there's a powder, mascara, lipstick, eyeliner, and an eyeshadow and blush palette. So I'm going to there is a video coming up next with all of these products in action, so do stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you know when that video is going live. But I do have quite a few products from Miss Claire, and quite happy with a lot of these products, so make sure you check out the next video. I'm going to talk about all of these products in detail in the next one. Next, I have the Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss lip palette, and this is in the shade Bear Crush. There are 6 shades in here, and this leans on the nudie, pinky nude side of shades. I have tried 2 of them till now, but I'm yet to try them for a long time and see how effective these are. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a review on these. As of now, I have a mixed feeling about this palette, so let's wait for the final verdict. Moving on to the Body Shop, I have the Skin Defense sunscreen from them. This is a multi-protection essence with SPF 50, and this has been I've been using it for the past few days honestly, and I totally love it. This is such a great sunscreen. It is a little pricey though, at rupees 22.95 for 40 ml, but it's a great product. Okay, the latest launch from the Body Shop are these body yogurts. I have 3 of them with me. This is the British Rose variant, this is the mango variant, and my favorite is the almond milk body yogurt. This is my favorite range from the Body Shop. So basically these are very, very light moisturizers. It sinks into your skin in an instant. They do not leave any greasiness or any stickiness on your skin. I love the fragrance too, all of these, so quite a hit in my books. Let me know if you want a detailed review on these. Next, I have this mini MAC product with me. I have picked up a MAC pigment after a really long time, and this is in the shade this is in the shade Tan, and I've used this in one of my shoots recently and quite liked it. So I'm going to insert swatches or maybe pictures of me wearing it somewhere here, or I'll link it to a blog review or something. Just watch out the description box for more details. Moving on, I have 2 new highlighters from Bobbi Brown. The first one that I have is Afternoon Glow, and this is such a beautiful highlighter, especially for Indian skin tone. My god, I love it. In fact, let's just apply it on my face right now. Right now.
Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right
This is the kind of glow that us beauty junkies die for, and this is, oh my god, such beautiful, such a gorgeous highlighter. I also have Bobbi Brown Pink Quartz Shimmer Brick. This again is a beautiful highlighter. It is quite a multitasking product. You could use these as eyeshadows, or mix a few shades and use them as a bronzer, or apply it as a light blush, use them as highlighters, inner corner highlights, brow bone highlights. You could do a lot with these shimmer bricks, and this Bobbi Brown was the first one actually to come up with shimmer bricks. There are a lot of brands at all price points who later copied the product, but this is that one cult product from Bobbi Brown which everybody loves, and I finally have it with me. Next is one of my current favorite lipsticks. This is the shade Crimson from Bobbi Brown again, and this is the Rich Lip Color range. This is a nice reddish berry shade which looks good on all complexions, perfect for evening wear. I would wear it during the day too. So that was it, guys. These are all the new products that I have with me. Let me know in the comments box down below which of these you would like to see in action the soonest, and we'll talk about them in detail for sure. Do check out the description box below for links and prices and all other details about all of these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and do share your favorites in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. My hair is all over the place these days. I also have the Bobbi Brown. It is quite a multi